The scope of use of the products produced by continuous casting of the three major parts covers the production of various materials and various types of steel products. The three major continuous casting G pieces are made of purely processed white corundum, brown corundum, metallic silicon, silicon carbide, zirconia, natural pure flake graphite, and other high-temperature resistant raw materials. In the automated production line, the precisely matched raw materials are sent to the high-speed countercurrent mixer. At a specific temperature, various raw materials with different particle sizes and different ratios are added to the binder and mixed uniformly, and then sent to the mud drying system to remove the water, and then put into the storage tank. In the molding workshop, these molds, with different formulas and different purposes, according to certain formula requirements, put several different molds according to different parts into a rubber and steel core combined mold, and put them in the mold-sealed container of the turn hydraulic press. Under the action of the hydraulic principle, the powder compressed by the ultra-high pressure forms a fixed and strong blank. Subsequently, the blank is loaded into the drying car and sent to the curing furnace. After 24 hours of curing and drying at a specific temperature, it enters the car processing process and performs contour processing on the CNC machine tool to meet the size matching requirements of the large steel continuous casting machine. Then, the processed blank is sent to the coating process. Just like car paint, it is coated with a coating that prevents graphite from being oxidized. After a little drying, it is loaded into a heat treatment furnace, heated by an electric furnace or a gas furnace, and then subjected to a high temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. After the treatment, we see the high-temperature C composite material that has been porcelainized and heat-treated. After subsequent detailed processing, different components are assembled in order to connect with the large continuous casting machine. In the end, each product must be inspected by a large X-ray machine to confirm safety before packaging and leaving the factory. After arriving at the steel plant, the products are assembled on the continuous casting machine under strict operating procedures and requirements, and the use process must be strict. According to the requirements of the operating regulations, some products need to be preheated and heated to a temperature close to the molten steel before they can be used, such as stopper rods and flood nozzles, and some require that they are quickly heated to 1600 degrees Celsius without breaking at room temperature, like the long nozzle protection tube. Under the joint action of other protective materials, it protects the molten steel from turning into billets without degeneration as required. After meeting the inspection of steel continuous casting machine and molten steel, controlling the flow rate, velocity, flow field of molten steel, and reaching the service life requirements, complete its mission.